As an administrator, when you log into Spine Tango, you are presented with a dashboard with the user documentation and administration icons. Or you may be presented with a dashboard with additional icons depending on what other rights you have. To create a user, select Administration from the menu bar, People, and Add. You will be presented with a Create Person page. You need to complete the mandatory information on this page to create the person. Enter the user's first name and last name, and scroll down and you come to the next section, which is called Capabilities. There are two types of capabilities available. You have the examiner capability and the surgeon capability. The examiner capability applies to any person who needs to appear on the conservative therapy forms and performs the role of an examiner. The R4ST surgeon capability is for those who perform surgeries and need to appear on the surgeon's list in the surgery forms. So for the purposes of this exercise, we're going to select the R4ST surgeon for this person, which means that they will appear on the surgery list when forms are being completed. You click and save once you've selected the capability that you require. And the next thing you need to do is add a method of communication for the user. If you add an email address for the person will be able to reset the password using the forgotten password link. Without an email address, a user is unable to use the forgotten password functionality and receive an email. Once you have put the person's email address in, click and save. It is recommended that you use an email address that is associated with a clinic so that the information that's provided for the system goes to a clinic-related email address. Once that's done, you get to the end of the page and you click on Save. And the information that has been created will be saved in the system. You will get a success message when the information is saved. Click on the OK button and your person has been created. Now, in order to get this person to be a proper user on the system, you will need to edit this field, set the person as a user, click on the Set as User button there. That initiates the user information field. Click on that user information field and create a username for the person. The proposed username format is the country code for that person, first initial and surname, and the person will be created. Once this is done and you've created the username for the person, you click and save. You will be given a success message which gives you the temporary password for that person, and it will also ask you if you want to email the password to the person. So you can click on yes and that will be done for you, or you can click on no and take a copy of the password and provide it to the person yourself. That is entirely up to you as a clinic administrator how you would like to use this functionality. So we're going to click on no for this example, and that information has been set for the user and updated. And that's all you need to do to create a user. Once a user is created, the user will have to be allocated access rights to enable them access the system. How to do this is available via the allocation of access rights video.